Hi everyone, it's Gatsby from Boom City Breaks again. We are breaking 2016 Gold Rush NFL PYT jerseys. This was for a two-boxer. These are boxes 3 and 4 from Case 2. Good luck everyone. Please follow our channel on breakers.tv, Boom City Breaks. Also join our Facebook group at Boom City Breaks and follow our eBay auctions on eBay at Boom City Breaks. Good luck, everybody. Again, this is a two-boxer. Boxes 3 and 4 from Case 2. Good luck. Let me get some rips, some rippets in the chat, please. This is box 3. Box 4 will be next. I guess I didn't raise the damn thing. Good enough. Get your pops ready. All right, you're gonna hear the pop, pop. All right, good luck, everybody. This is box 3. Oh man, this is one of Bob's favorite. Holy crap. Nice hit for the LA Rams. Eric Dickerson. Congratulations, Prophet. Nice hit. It's the sick older looking jersey. The JSA authentication. And this is a beautiful jersey. I'm so in love with these Rams jerseys. Really good signature on it too. Very sweet, very nice Rams jersey. Again, this one goes to Prophet. Very nice hit, Prophet. All right, box 4 coming up. First box was a very nice hit. All right, here we go. Box 4. This is the last box of the two-boxer. Get ready for your pops, everybody. Gonna hear the pop, pop. Good luck. Oh, wow. The Rams are sweeping the board. Wow, nice, Prophet. Prophet comes in with a two-banger. Two-box break, both Rams. Aaron Donald. Aaron Donald for the two-boxer. JSA. It's Aaron Donald, really clean, really nice jersey. Got a good signature on there. Very nice. Profit again with a winner. The LA Rams. Again, this was a 2-box break. We pulled Eric Dickerson from the Rams, and we also pulled Aaron Donald from the Rams. Very small odds of doing that, but he did it. So congratulations, Profit. We'll see you next time from Boom City. Thanks a lot, guys.